We're hoping for a little volatility because, let's face it, retail investors are still sitting on a lot of cash. They want to deploy it to the stock market, and you need these pullbacks basically for people to step in. And that's what we've continued to try to recommend to our clients. We haven't had much lately, but we certainly expect a little volatility here. But for us, really, it comes down to the market, vaccine logistics. We're getting these vaccines out. We're vaccinating well over 1 million people a day. We know the Fed's going to be easy, and we know we're going to get a big number out of Congress here in terms of this stimulus. So I think those are the types of macro issues. Earnings this time around, it's a confirmation process. Day to day, stock by stock, you might see some big beats and misses and daily moves. But the market's way more focused on what lies ahead: reopenings, stimulus, continued easy Fed, more vaccinations. That's what's driving the market right now.
What about Bitcoin, Scott? Do you look at that as a tell for sentiment in this market?
Well, I think, Sarah, for us, let me first just say that Wells Fargo is not issuing any guidance at all on Bitcoin. But if you look at just the market action, there's more risk taking, and that's not a mystery to anybody. And you could argue that that's one indicator that people are taking risks. But I think, if I look at what's going on out there right now relative to, let's say, March of 2000, something like that, we have a very broad market. I mean, the Russell 2000's beating the S&P 500, which is beating the S&P 100, the OEX. And that's the exact opposite of what occurred coming into early 2000. So market breadth, still some hesitation, not a whole lot of chasing going on. Those are the kind of things that make us think the market's going to go higher here.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.